All right, this is number 9. So let's read this through. So we've got in the first fiscal quarter, Tommy and Regent moved 15,000 and 25,000 units of product. If the total, there's the key word total. So as soon as you see total, looks like we're doing a prorated question. So we're going to have to add an extra column. So let's have a look at this. So first I'm going to do is write what I know so far. So I've got 15,000 colon 25,000. And I saw the word total. So that means I've got to add these two numbers. So I'm going to add these two numbers. So 15,000 and 25,000 is 40,000. So that's the key. That's the hard part to these questions. So this is my total. So that's the total number of product that they moved. Equals. Now, I don't know the amount of money for each person individually, but I do know for each store individually, but I do know the total. So I'll do X for the first one, or T, I'll do T. So Tommy, T, I don't know how much overhead cost it is. So T, I don't know for Regent the overhead costs, but I do know the total was $139,000. So again, we got a prorated question because we're dealing with total, total, total. So I had to add that extra column. So after that, that was the hard part. So just match it up. First with first, second with second, and third with third. So I've got to do this question twice because I'm solving for two different letters. So let's set it all up here. So I've got 15,000, which is the first, over the first, which is the letter T, equals. Remember, I can't use letter R because I'm using letter T. So I got to look. I got to use the total with total. So I'm going to do 40,000 over 139,000. And I'll just set it up twice. So I'll do the 25,000 over R this time equals, and again, total 40,000 over 139,000. So it's total with total. And we will now cross multiply. Set it all up. So we've got 40,000 T equals, and then just multiply those big numbers together. So 15,000 divided by, or multiplied by 139,000. So you're going to have a big number. Let me just do that again. 139,000. So I've got a big number here. I'm just going to write it all out. 2085, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. I'm just going to work this out because I don't want to retype this. So I'm going to divide this both sides by 40,000, right, to get T by itself. So I can cross these off. T equals divided by 40,000. 1, 2, 3 equals. So I've got 52,125 dollars. So of that 139,000, 52,125 goes to that store with the letter T. Okay, back to this one. Now I'm going to cross multiply 40,000 R equals, okay, so 25,000 times 139,000 equals, so another big number, 3, 4, 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and I'm going to divide both sides by 40,000 so that I can get R by itself. And I get $86,875. And that's it.